Here's my full, honest take on Dell Optiplex 3060 desktop computer. What it does well, where it lags, and whether it's worth buying, depending on what you need. I've done a deep dive across spec lists, reviews, user feedback and expert analysis to help you decide if this PC fits your needs. On paper, the PC comes with a dedicated 8th General 6-core CPU, Intel Core i5 8500, 32GB DDR4 RAM, 1TB SSD, and is paired with Windows 11 Pro, a setup that gives plenty of power for multitasking, office work, media editing, and general productivity. For general work and home office tasks, web browsing, office apps, streaming, video calls, coding, light photo, video editing, this machine is very competent. The large RAM plus SSD combo ensures fast boot times, quick app loading, smooth multitasking, even with many browser tabs or apps open, and solid responsiveness. Several reviewers and sellers highlight that the 3060 easily handles office workloads, multimedia, and even content creation tasks. The port and connectivity suite is fair for a business-class machine. Multiple USB ports, DisplayPort plus HDMI for monitors, Ethernet, and if you pick a version with built-in or bundled Wi-Fi, Bluetooth adapter, wireless connectivity fine for typical home or office networks. The 3060 is also compact compared to larger towers, so it fits well on desks where space is limited, which can matter a lot in smaller setups. Because I've researched thoroughly, I also want to highlight some trade-offs. The graphics are integrated, Intel UHD, which means it's not suited for heavy 3D work, modern AAA gaming, or GPU-intensive rendering. If your tasks rely heavily on GPU, gaming, 3D modeling, video rendering, you'll likely hit limits. Also, because many of these PCs are renewed, refurbished, the quality and state of individual units can vary. Some users report cosmetic wear, missing Wi-Fi, BT components, relying on a USB adapter instead, or a need to clean out ports and update drivers. Another practical point: expansion upgradability is limited compared to full-size towers. While storage and RAM are probably fine as is, adding a dedicated GPU or many internal upgrades may be constrained depending on the subform factor, SFF or micro. Critically speaking, this PC is best seen as a solid mid-range, business-class workstation for office, everyday productivity, light creative work, multimedia editing, remote work, and similar uses. It's not a powerhouse for high-end gaming or serious graphic work. So, is the Dell Optiplex 3060 worth buying? In my honest take, yes, but only if you match the right profile. If you're a student, freelancer, remote worker or office user who mainly needs a reliable system for documents, web, software, maybe light editing, coding or virtualization, this 3060 gives excellent value for money. If you need heavy graphics power, GPU-accelerated tasks, or long-term upgradability, temper your expectations or consider a more robust build. Bottom line: the Optiplex 3060 delivers good enough performance, great multitasking, fast storage and stable reliability as a home, office PC. As long as you stay realistic about what it's for. Click the link below for the best price.